Hey guys, hope you're having a great day and a great time. So today I just want to do a very quick unboxing video of this box full of Amazon products that I ordered. As you can see, it has the Aramex seal. I haven't opened it. I was going to open it as soon as I got it, but then I said let me just wait until I get home, then we can do the whole unboxing together. Basically what is inside here is a whole bunch of skincare supplements that I ordered like I think it was like 1 month ago from Amazon, and then by mistake my package went to the Aramex address. Now if any of you guys have watched my previous videos, you see there's a video I made on how I ship my things from the USA to Kenya, which is something most people have asked me about several times. And you guys know how I said I didn't like Aramex because Aramex is very inconsistent, at times very inconsistent. I made a mistake and I used the Aramex address because the Aramex address is still saved up in my Amazon account, and I had forgotten to delete it. So when I made this order from Amazon, what happened, they used the Aramex address. Hold on, let me open this one first. So they used the Aramex address as my default address because it's the address that I was using previously for all my Amazon shipments. Okay, the first thing I have here is a Gero Formula Glutathione, this particular one. Now, you guys know I used to buy my glutathione from Healthy You, but of late they have not been having an issue with stock. And then I used to go there, they don't have the glutathione anymore, the one that I wanted from this company called Now. So I went on Amazon and I decided to just buy my own glutathione. Then again, Healthy You does not stock the 500 mg of glutathione. They mostly stock the 250 mgs, and that is not all that cost effective when it comes to skin lightening. This one has so much hype on Amazon, even on YouTube. People really hype it up. In terms of skin lightening, most people use this one for capsules. It has very high recommendations. If you just go on Amazon and you look at the reviews, you see so many reviews of this one. Okay, moving on, I got NAC. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big bottle, not what I thought it would be. It's so big. Okay, I have this one. This is the NAC. You guys know I talk about NAC, how it's so good for skin lightening because it helps in the production of glutathione in your body. So basically this one will last me for a very long time because it's a big bottle. It has like just 120 tablets. There's that one. Then right here, another one, I have the that glutathione from that I used to get from Healthy You, but the 500 mg one from the company called Now. This particular one. Now this one is 500 mg, and these are 60 capsules because the one I used to get from Healthy You was 30 capsules, and it was 30 capsules and 250 mg, and it was even more expensive than this one. I think honestly buying from Amazon is even more cheaper than buying from Healthy You. If you get something like if you ship with the Sabo store or a company that will not charge you a ridiculous amount of money, I think it's more cost effective buying from Amazon. So I got this one here as well. Next, I also got the Kojic soaps. Okay, so I have this Kojic soap. Let me tell you, this is the best, the very best Kojic soap you'll ever use. The Kojic soap. So time I was using it consistently, and I think I had bought the eight packets. These are how many? I think these are 4 soaps because they are combined, but they are 4 soaps. So normally with this one, I prefer cutting it up into sections. Let me show you. Like I have this block here. If you use it as it is on its own, if you use it like this, it will end up getting used up so fast, and because it's in a bathroom in a moist area, most of it will just end up being washed away by water. So the best thing is to get a knife and you cut it into 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have like 4 sections. That way you can use it the maximum use. So there's that one as well. Next here I have vitamin C. If I'm not wrong, this package here, it's like a small package. I think it's a glass bottle that has the vitamin C. They say this package contains an important insert please read it carefully. Okay, I have to read the instructions, blah blah blah. This is a vitamin C serum that I bought from Amazon. This one is from the Tree of Life Age Defying Beauty Vitamin C Serum. This particular one, there it is. This vitamin C serum has also so many reviews on Amazon, so I just had to buy it and see how it will work for me. And yeah, so it comes with let me see, with directions on how to use it. They gave me their business card. Right here I have a few more makeup items that I also ordered from Amazon coming up. As soon as they come, I will also show you and do an unboxing of those items for you guys. That's all I have for you guys, and until next time, see ya.